Today I'm going to show you how to install the 3D fan base. It's a very easy, straightforward, nothing, it does not take that long. So we take this piece, the one that does not have any holes on it. There's two pieces. If you see one with holes, one without holes. So you're going to get the one without any holes, and you're going to get the base, and you're going to put it over here and get these screws. There's, so you're going to put it over here and then install it. Now the good thing about this base that comes with all the tools, and it's a pretty heavy base, so it's not bad at all. It's actually pretty good. And we're going to install it. And put this one over here, the two screws. And you don't need to worry about the screws because each one has a different length and width, so it's not like you're gonna make a mistake and use a screw for wrong place. So trying to get it. Okay, now once you put this one, you get these. So these, they have one kind of like a flat wide, and then it comes like one kind of like narrow. So what you do is you get these little screws thing, and you're gonna end up putting it here. Usually it's better to start with these to put them all together. So it's same like this. You see how you have to put them this way? So you do that for both. And you have the tool for it. There's 8, so 4 for each. I like this stand, it's pretty sturdy. And it's nice looking. And I'll show you. So after you put them, you actually bring the second piece and you put it align it, and then you drop these over here. You see where is it? And these. So, I'm sorry. So you put it over here, and then you're gonna put it, it's okay if it drops. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna put it up a little bit. I like to put it in the middle, so that way 2 holding one side and 2 holding the other side, and then you tie it. Okay, and the same thing you will do with the other one, the other side. Same thing. Now, this is a universal stand, so you gotta understand there's some screws you might not need. There's some pieces you might not need, because since there's different you know, bases, so it changed. So mine, and this is how it's gonna look. So mine, comes this piece. I have the basic fan. So the basic fan, let me actually get my fan so I can show you. Which is this one. You see this one? So, and this is the stand that came with the fan. So I need to hang this. So if I want to hang this, I don't need this, you know, this clear piece. So what I need to do, I need to put it over here. And you see, it aligns. Make sure you put it the correct way so actually that screws goes down over here. And you actually put, these screws are a little bit long, but that's okay. So you're gonna put it, of course, you have the washer and the nut. So you put it, of course, different ones might require the other piece, but this one, it does not need it. So it's a pretty straightforward. We're almost done.